No, I feel it's a great honor that I got to see so many heroes. All thanks to my brother who made me a part of this beautiful family, Kiran Garu. And all I want to say is that we need more people like him so that they can inspire the world to make this world a better place to live in. It is really a very emotional moment when I see all these kids, especially able ones. So I think as society, it's our responsibility to be a part of the family.
Sir, recently आपको थाईलैंड के एम्बेसडर भी बनाया, क्या कहेंगे?
No, I think it's a great honor again, being a brand ambassador of Thailand and an advisor to the government. But all I want to say is, we're trying our best so that, many more strong bonds that can happen between the two countries. And I'm sure, we will make it happen.
Right, sir. Sir, एक इशू चल रहा है इस्कॉन के प्रीस्ट को बांग्लादेश में अरेस्ट किया.
I think ये बड़ा special moment है. We should have this is a moment to celebrate, right? Thank you, brother.
This is Dr. Kiran. I'm the founder, chairman of Swachh India Foundation. So today, the Sankalp Divas. So basically, we initiated this about 25 years back when the people started celebrating my birthday with a pump and show. I said, no point in doing that kind of hangama. Let's put it in a proper way where we can be helpful to the society. So that is how it's initiated. Sankalp means taking some kind of a dedicative, making a statement or dedicating ourselves, and Divas is a day. So 20th November every year we do this, and every year one Megasus awardee we invite, and there are about 50 special children institutions are adopted. All the children, they come here and we celebrate like it's like a carnival. So it's we have seen a lot of NGOs doing different activities, but this is kind of a festival calling all the institutions, and they display their handcrafted items, and they do cultural activities over here. It's kind of a festival for all the special kids. And today we are inviting the Sonu Sood. We all know his the services and how dedicated he towards the society and all. He is a good friend. So I invited him today to receive the felicitation on Sankalp Kiran Puraskar. Sankalp Kiran, we initiated this to give one social the servant who is really working hard, towards the society. Like earlier Kiran Bedi, Anna Hazare, and Jaki Narputam, Sundarlal Bahuguna, Rajendra Singh, and all, they all the part of this particular Sankalp Kiran Puraskar. So this year we are giving a Sankalp Kiran Puraskar to Sonu Sood. Today about more than 2,000 special kids and 50 institutions and my adopted 2 villages. The people are here to celebrate this Sankalp, Divas. Thank you.
I request all our guests to please be seated. I request the media fraternity once again to please make way for those seated in the front rows to be able to watch the program. I request our guests to please be
మరిన్ని ట్రెండింగ్ వీడియోల కోసం న్యూస్ 18 తెలుగు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.